Hello everyone, this is day 27 of my application journey, and today I'm going to be going on to my home screen. So, as you know, last day I was completing on my onboarding login and preferences part, and most of it was done. The category selection in the images part was done. I need to change the categories. Not every category will be here, and also it needs to follow this design that I created, and the images were changed like this. I selected them. So if you have any views about what images would be more perfect, you can also tell me in the comments or maybe share a link of it. Apart from that, let's without wasting any time, let's start the day, guys. And major part is about coding up the UX, and I'm also trying to focus on the marketing part because I have left it for quite some time now, and I think I need to again go back to it and start doing it. So let's, guys, without wasting any time, let's start the day. So guys, it's currently 6:30, and after putting a lot of brain and thinking, and I mean everything I had was in pen paper structure and everything was so cluttered, but still after having no UI design, and that is why UI design is very important, guys. If you don't have UI design, it can take you to just directly jump onto the development, a lot of brain pressure and brainstorming. But since I was not having a UI designer right now, and I was also getting lagged behind time because 2 days I was sick. I needed to complete the UX today for the post screen. So now the UX looks like this. I've tried to make it as best as possible as the needs I understood, and this is like for the in-person help, and this is for the remote help, and I think it looks okay and pretty now. The only thing is that to build this, my code has got a lot of messy, and my block structure is also wholly destroyed. Like it was very good, but due to change in the UX and design and everything, my block structure and backend code got a lot worse, and now I need to incorporate it and fix it. So I mean, I will try to do it in a while. Yep. So guys, I have also fixed my block code, and thanks this time to ChatGPT. I thought it will take me a lot of time to take my previous code and then merge my new code into it. But I think this time ChatGPT saved my life. I didn't thought it will be able to help me in this complex task, but it was able to help me with a very less prompt. So guys, I just merged my code, and it has successfully taken my old block code and then the new UX improvement codes and merged it into one improved version of mix code that is consisting of my block logic also and my new improved UX also. And it has also separated out all the widgets. And yes, my post thing I think is 90% completed. Like maybe I can wrap up the day today also, or maybe in night if I get time I will do the coding for improving the not improving currently my create post function is accepting some parameters, so I need to add few more parameters, or maybe reduce, or make the parameters better so that they can include the new UX requirements of in-person, remote, and budget and everything. And then I think home page will be the only page that will be left to sort. Home page, and then yeah, profile page also. So I think maybe after tomorrow, if I do firstly complete the post creation page, then I think I should firstly jump onto the profile page, because I think in profile page I just need to improve the UX. None of the changes on the backend logic is required, so I will do that, and then I will move on to my homepage designs here. So I need to include the remote and that category. And guys, you also, if you have any thoughts about how I can do it in a much better way, what are your thoughts? Please do tell me guys, because it keeps my motivation up for building this product. It gives me ideas on how I should improve. And if you have not downloaded the app, please do download it from Play Store or App Store. The link is in the description. And see you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, take care.